Hey y'all, welcome to my kitchen. Before we get started, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on this video. This evening we're going to make some KFC inspired coleslaw. Now this is a simple, delicious recipe that y'all can try, and there's just a few ingredients. I will go over those with you and have all the exact measurements under the video. Now you're going to take a small head of cabbage and you're going to cut it up pretty finely, which I've already done. You're going to take some carrot sticks. I just have the matchstick carrots. You can actually shred a medium carrot if you'd prefer. And there's also going to be some lemon juice, vinegar, milk, mayonnaise, sugar, and then just salt and pepper. So we're going to go ahead and add in the carrots to the coleslaw. Now, depending on how many carrots you'd like, this is just a preference. I'm just going to add some in. I'm going to mix them up and just see how much we're actually going to need. If you don't like carrots, you really won't have to put it in this recipe, but I think it really makes it, and it gives it a nice color also. And I like carrots, so I'm going to put quite a few in, if not this whole bowl full. All right, and then I'm going to go ahead and mix our dressing for the coleslaw. And you just need another little bowl. I'm going to go ahead and add in our milk. And you don't have to have any mixer or anything like that to make this. You can just put it in the bowl and just stir it by hand. All right, we're going to go ahead and put in the mayonnaise. And then we're going to put in our lemon juice and the vinegar and then our sugar. And then we're just going to do salt and pepper to taste. And then we're going to mix this up, and then we're going to pour it over our cabbage and carrots. This goes great with hot dogs, and we're having ribs with our dinner tonight, so we're going to have this with our ribs. So it's going to be a nice side that you can make that's not hard at all to put together. And like I say, you just want to stir it till it's pretty well blended. And then we're just going to pour it over this, and then we're going to refrigerate it for about 30 minutes to an hour before you serve it, and it'll be ready to go. And you can keep it covered in your refrigerator. It'll last at least a week in there. So if you have leftovers, you don't have to get rid of them. You can have them for lunches for another day or another meal. All right, let's go ahead and put our dressing over. Just want to pour it over the top, and you just want to stir it well into the cabbage and the carrots. And there you've got your KFC inspired coleslaw. I hope that y'all will try this recipe. Let me know if you like it, and I hope that y'all will subscribe to my channel, and I hope that y'all have a great evening, and thank y'all so much for watching.